In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on your OPPO F21 Pro 5G using app called RAR. So in order to do this, first you'll need to download and install this app, and me showing you how to do that in our other video. Now let's find the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack. So let's select each of the files that I want to pack. Click on this plus button, and that way we'll enter archiving options. Here you can pick a name for this archive. I'm gonna call it pictures. Let it be pictures, I guess. We can set the password for this archive. Let's do it like this: 123. If you're not sure, you can always show the password. Encrypt the file names. Click OK. Here you can change the extension for the file, so it can be RAR or zip. I'm gonna use the RAR one. Enable to delete files after archiving or create solid archive. In advanced you can find more settings, and in the options you can find more options. In the comment section you can leave any comment about this RAR file, and after everything is set, click OK. And that way you'll pack your 3 pictures into a pictures.rar. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.